So, andito tayo ngayon sa Maricelo Villas in Las Piñas City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. 77 square meters. 3 bedrooms po siya. Kitchen niya over and under cabinets. So it looks like hindi po siya nagamit or natirhan ng previous owner. And then meron tayong balcony dito. Itong balcony niya dito sa living and dining area. And then common bathroom, very spacious. And then bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and yung aircon provision mukhang hindi nagamit or nabuksan. And then this is the primary or the master's. Meron siyang sariling bathroom, ensuite bathroom. Yan. And then meron din siyang balcony. So may view siya ng amenities or ng swimming pool. Medyo natatakpan lang itong pool, no? Maluwag yung balcony niya. Ganda. Okay. So again, this is around 5.1 million. And this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance. Bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So this is as is where is upon turnover. And if you are interested to make an offer or bid, this is for bidding. Deadline po ng bidding natin October 31st na. So if you are interested to make a bid, please message us directly. Parang ano to Spanish inspired yung theme niya. Yung mga pangalan, Sebastian Almeria Madrid, Maricelo, Pontevedra.